Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 44. I'm going to take a look at the chart. Not much has changed from a fundamental outlook, but we're going to take a look at the last developments together and talk about it. If I have to sum it up, my alternate bullish count is now less probable, and I will explain you why. And my main bearish count is still my favorite count, and the probability has risen. And I will try to explain that to you too today. So let's start. First, I have to show you my disclaimer so that you are aware that there are risks involved in trading. And once that is done, I take a brief look at my live Elliott wave updates for 20 USD per month. It's a pro service for pro members, for people who want to know more about Elliott wave, learn more, or use Elliott wave as an indicator to trade. You get 1 to 3 updates a day. Screenshot of the chart and a brief explanation of what is happening. And normally it's more than 3 a day, but it's at least 1 to 3 a day. More during the week, a little less during the weekend. And if you want to join, just join my free Telegram group and tell me that you're interested, and I will give you the instruction on how to become a member. And now we're going to take a look firstly at the bullish count. So the bullish count, my alternate bullish count, is now less likely. And to show you that, I have to take a look at a smaller time frame. But firstly, the thing that makes it unlikely on the bigger time frame is just that you have an A, B, C. But the C is a flash crash, and the flash crash could not happen on every exchange. So it is extremely doubtful that this count is correct, because if you only have if your C is here, it makes it less likely. If the C reaches our target, then it makes it more likely. But since it's a flash crash and the flash crash didn't happen on every exchange, it makes it less likely. And now let's take a look at the smaller time frame so that I can explain to you more why it is unlikely. I was hoping for on the bullish alternate count, I was hoping for an impulse wave that started here. That was what I'm hoping for. So I thought you could have a 1-2 and then a subdividing 1-2 again and higher. But we did get one more flash crash. After this flash crash, we did get a smaller one here. And the smaller flash crash did go below the bottom of wave 2. And that's impossible. So I cannot count it in that manner anymore. If I admit the flash crash, well, the flash crash did not happen a second time. It did not happen on every exchange. So maybe I must disregard it and ignore it. In that case, there's still a little hope left for the bullish alternate count, but not too much. And I will discard it completely once, at least that labeling, once we go below 60,355. And now let's talk about my main count. On my main count, I'm labeling it WX, and I'm looking for a Y wave down. And right now, what we see since yesterday is one that the top of wave 1 did not hold, that we went below it, so that increased the likelihood of the bearish count. And now, since I have a little more data, I think we can see a leading diagonal with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the first wave of the leading diagonal. And our objective on this time frame is to go below 59,500. And as long as 64,300 holds, this count is likely. So for now, the bearish count seems the most probable count, and you should be aware of prices decreasing in a similar manner than they did in wave W. So I'm expecting something that takes the same amount of time and drops the same amount than W did for wave Y. So I'm expecting that. So we should go not just below 59,500, but even below 58,100. Okay, that's my outlook. If I explain it to you in a short manner and brief explanation, I give more explanation about the charts in detail to my private clients of my private Elliott Wave live update channel. So if you're interested, let me know and I'll provide you the instruction how to become a member. And as always, you can do me a favor by clicking the like icon. And if it's not done, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon because it's time-sensitive information. And if you have the time, leave me a message. I enjoy reading them. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.